Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change spark plugs in a 2013 through 2018 Cadillac ATS 2.0 with the Ecotec engine. To perform the job, all you need to do is remove this screw here in your engine cover, also remove your oil filler cap, and then lift up the engine cover and remove it. To complete this job, all you need is a 3/8 ratchet, a 6/8 extension, spark plug socket with the magnetic pickup in it, and a T30 star bit. I keep the magnetic pickup tool just in case something falls, and you need NICs for the new spark plugs. The spark plugs I'll be using today are the factory AC Delcos, part numbers 41-125. You need 4 of them because you have a 4-cylinder, of course. So what I'm about to do right now is remove the screw from the engine cover using the T30 star bit. Once you remove the screw, you just twist the oil filler cap, pull it out. Engine cover lifts right out. Put it out of the way somewhere. Coil packs. They have coil packs have these red tabs. You got to pull those out in order to squeeze and remove the coil packs. I forgot to also tell you that you'll need a 10mm socket to undo the 10mm hex nuts that hold down the coil packs here. Squeeze and pull. Then unscrew the bolt from the coil pack. The coil pack slips right up. You put it out the way. Get your 6/8 extension. Connect it to the spark plug socket. Locate the spark plug in the hole. Twist. Spark plugs are pretty burnt here. Definitely needed to be changed. Here's what a new spark plug looks like. And usually you got spark plugs, but with these vehicles, they use a iridium tip and they come pre-gapped from the factory. So all you do is get your NICs and put your little NICs around the threads and reinstall the spark plug. I got my NICs on the threads. You only need a little bit. I started by hand and then I snug it up with the ratchet. All you have to do is repeat that step 3 more times and your tune-up is done. So I apologize, guys. I got to the last coil pack and I forgot that back here are 2 10mm bolts, and to get to those you need to use an offset 10mm wrench. At least that's what I'm using. You can probably fit a ratchet down in there, but the 10mm wrench is basically the easiest tool to use to get to those back 2. Once you do that and button everything back up, you're all set. Your tune-up is done.